Hey everyone, it's me, Mila Rose, and I'm back for my next video, and this is part 2 of my sinking fund stuffing for the month of January. Let's get into it, okay? We only have a few to go. I cleaned up my chart. As I showed you all in my previous video, we have this top section here that needs to get done. Let's put some monies away, y'all. Okay, so we have, I'm already pulling out of the wrong sections. All right, so we have taxes and metro, which this will also make everything so much easier because now everything's in the right sections. So we have a lot in taxes. So oh my goodness, making it hard to count. Okay, there we go. We should have 368. So you have 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1. So 300, 20, 40, 60, 61, 62, 63. Ooh, was I? Okay. All right. I think, oops, see? So it should be 63 because this would not be wrong. So, all right. So it should be 163. Let me change that because I probably honestly just couldn't read my handwriting. Girl, that looks a mess. It's fine. 25 goes in there. Let's just put that 25 and keep it moving, y'all. Okay. So here is 25. So 1, 2, 20, 40, 60, 20, 40, 60, 80, 3, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88. Now we're at, so 388. $388. Y'all, I'm not looking forward to tax season. I don't know what to do about my taxes. I think I need to get like a preparer or something. I know there's plenty of people who do their own taxes, but I'm a little freaked out about it. I have to apply for the homestead exemption, and then I have to, I have some crypto I guess I probably need to do something with. I am not here for it, honestly. Okay, Metro is supposed to have 70. 20, 40, 60, 65, 70. Perfect. It gets 5. No big deal. I'm actually thinking that I'm going to put those 2 5s back and steal from the 10s. Yeah. So now we're at 75. Perfect. 75 for health. And I guess at some point I'll probably just end up putting this in my HSA. But we shall see. I'm not sure. Now that I have an HSA, I'm not sure what I want to do with that, but we'll see. Okay. Oh, that was Metro. Not health. It's like, that seems weird. It was Metro. Oh, Metro's only supposed to get to 160, so we're slowly getting up there. Will we meet that this year? I don't know. I could do the math real quick, but I'm not. Okay. Health is supposed to have 60. There we go. So 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So another 5. I might trade these 5s for a 20. Let me see, because I need how many? 1, 2, 3. Ooh, no, keep that. Never mind. Yeah, I guess we are where we are with this one. So 65 for health. Oh, this is going to be a quick video, y'all. That's nice. Hair is supposed to get 60. I should have kept one of those other 20s. So 20, 40, 60. And hair was like 0 because I just got my hair done. My hairdresser was perfectly fine with me. She was not angry at me like I thought she would be, but she was like, you have to keep your hair moisturized. I have 4C hair. I'm a lazy natural, as I think they like to call us. And I do not keep up with my hair, y'all, and it is a mess. How much do I have left in planner? Ooh, planner was at 0. Ooh, that hurts. Okay, so 5 goes into planner. Ooh, wee. Okay. Let me write down that 60 for hair. That's what we're starting out with. And 5 for planner. Man, y'all. I've been spending some money. Okay. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 is in miscellaneous. Oh, so we had spent some miscellaneous money as well. Oh my gosh, y'all. I was spending money, y'all. I have been spending money. Okay, so 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 for miscellaneous. 19. Ooh-wee. Okay, HOA gets 34. Let's get HOA out. These being in order in my little binder, in the order that they are on my spreadsheet, makes everything so much easier. HOA is supposed to have, no, HOA should be right, 103. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 100, 1, 2, 3. Yep, I think it's 34. So 1, 2, 3. Come on, there we go. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. Perfect. All right, let's do a count. See what that comes up to. Okay. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. So that's 1, 10, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. So 137. It's a funky number, huh? I guess it'll even out in the end. 137. Oh, 5 for the, I was like, why do I have an extra 5? I don't. Okay. 137 for this one. Okay. Gardening gets 10. Whereas gardening should have 28. So 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. Another 10. 10, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. Ooh, that's exciting because I'm itching to start buying some new gardening stuff, so I'm very excited about that. 38. I am very excited for getting some gardening things. Do. Okay. We have phone gets 10. Ooh, let's see. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 80. Another 10 gives us 90. Right where we need to be. Let's try to get through this next year without needing a new phone or something. And we can get over that almost to 200. And then technology is supposed to be at 38. I've added more to that to those, so this will be higher than that. So 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. Ooh, I think it's 10. Perfect, right where we need to be. Okay, so 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61. Ooh, that's been a good come up, 61. Technology. And my new one that's rollerblading gets $5. Perfect. Yay, because I don't have an envelope for that. That's it, y'all. Okay, so I am at, 9 minutes? I'll probably start adding those Equinox ones onto this one to cut back on my time for my first one. But we'll see. We shall see. We'll see if I remember. That's the big one. I just have to remember to actually do it. But that is it, y'all. That is all of my sinking funds for the month of January. So spending, that's probably going to be coming out of my sinking funds in the month of January while I organize my desk just a little bit. I don't think I have anything that needs to get paid out in January, honestly, when I think about it. I think everything is February. Parents' anniversary is February. I do not have a Valentine's Day sinking fund, do I? I am a fool. Oh, I need a Valentine's Day sinking fund. Wow. Okay. I'm gonna have to change my sinking funds. Like the revelation I just had that I do not have a Valentine's Day sinking fund, and then I'm gonna need a Valentine's Day sinking fund. And I just got really sad because I'm thinking about how I don't have a Valentine's Day sinking fund. Y'all, I'm so sad. Here's my envelope. This is my little sticky note for rollerblades. I need to, where's my thing? Where are my holidays? Oh, goodness. Okay, we're already needing to change it. Y'all, I really had thought I had. Y'all weren't going to say nothing, were y'all? Valentine's. What do you think? $5? $5 only gives me 60, which I think is okay. Ooh. Or should it be $10? Which is 120, which gives me lots of cushion room. But I mean, that's more than I spend on like all types of stuff. So, but I could split Valentine's, but see, even that wouldn't be enough. Oh my God, I'm so annoyed now. Partnership is expensive because now I'm thinking also like bday for my person. Oh no. Okay, Valentine's, we're gonna do 60. We're gonna do $5. Oh my gosh. And then, oh, maybe I can just pull out a miscellaneous. I need to be probably intentional though about putting money aside. Let's do partner bday. I probably need to put aside like 10 for that so that I can get like a present and then pay for food, right? At the very latest. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So that gives us actually a total of, so that's 60 and that's 120, which will not be ready in time. So instead of it being 68 total, it's actually going to be total. Oh my goodness, 78.80. And then the total for that is going to be, I'm going to have to redo this. It was so pretty, y'all. And now it's not. I could just put that instead of like taking it. Instead of taking it out here, I could just like in the month that it's going to come up, pull it out. I feel like I should just go ahead and do Valentine's though. And then the month when it's coming up, I can just pull out partner bday. Well, that would help a little bit because then it would only be, because then, you know, I'm not the type that's going to be all. Anyways, let's count this up, y'all. So much for my being done. Okay, 15 plus, I think that was 68. So 2 plus 15 plus 25 plus 10 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 68. Okay, plus 5. So this one's supposed to be 73. So the total's going to be 73. Okay. Then plus the 15 and plus the 174, it gives us 262. So that's how much sinking funds need to be from now on. Just when I thought I had it, y'all. Just when I thought I had my life together, they come and kick my butt once again. All right, where do we have space to throw that in? We're going to just throw it in the bottom. Yes, we will. Yes, we will. We're going to throw it in the bottom and make a new little section for it. And we're going to call it right here. Look at this. Ghetto, but it works. It's ghetto, but it works. I'm just going to add lines, y'all. Add lines. Okay. Valentines. And that one's gonna be $5. A mess, y'all. All right, here we go. I'm done, because if I think about this anymore, then I'm gonna be sad. So I'm gonna get out of here, because now I'm already like, I have to put more money away. Oh my goodness, y'all, it's never ending. All right, thanks for watching. Love y'all. Hit subscribe button. I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.